Hey, what's up guys, it's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my AI Millionaire review. Now I'm here inside the members area, and during this review video I'm going to go through this and I'm going to show you exactly what this does and exactly how it works and exactly what you're going to be getting for just $9.95, which is amazing value if you ask me. I've reviewed thousands of products, and for $9.95 this is probably some of the best value that you're ever going to get spending your money online. Now, basically, in a nutshell, AI Millionaire is harnessing AI to do the things that millionaire affiliate marketers can do that you would otherwise have to spend years learning yourself and battle testing yourself, doing a lot of trial and error. You see, when it comes to making money online doing affiliate marketing, there's basically two aspects. There's a product, and then there's a way of getting traffic or potential customers to that product, and when that happens, you make money. If you don't have much time on your hands, then this is for you. If you're a little bit lazy and you want to shortcut your way to the next level of affiliate marketing, then this is for you. So anyway, I'm going to go into detail inside of this review video and show you exactly what this is all about in just a minute. So let's go and have a quick look at the sales page, and that'll bring you through to the sales page. It's going to look like this. Okay, the main headline here is the AI bloodbath is coming. Over 400 million jobs will be terminated. Are you next? Some will run, some will fight, but only a few who grab this AI millionaire will win. So there's a bit of general scarcity going on here because, yes, there is an AI revolution happening at the moment, and a lot of people are losing jobs because of it. Now, I don't know if 400 million people are going to lose their jobs. It could be possible. I don't know. But yeah, this is scare tactics that are going on. But there is definitely some truth to it, because you can either lose your job to AI, or you can harness the power of AI to make you money. And that's what this is all about, right? So you can check out the sales page in your own time. There's a ton of information on here. There's a lot of verified testimonials as well of beta testers who've used AI Millionaire to make a lot of money. So you can go and watch them in your own time. I'm not going to go through this whole thing with you because it's pretty lengthy, and you can go and do that on your own. But I'm just going to jump into the actual training right now so we can go through it together. So this is what the members area is going to look like. First of all, you're prompted to attend a live session with Michael, which you can do. You can go and register for that live session, and there's no harm in doing that. Step number 2 is to partner with Michael. Now, like I briefly touched upon before, this is where you're going to get pre-approved to some of Michael's offers that you can actually use effectively as your own offers, because you're getting 100% commission on these offers. So there's a step-by-step walkthrough process on exactly how to do that. Then we get into the whole AI aspect of it, which is module 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So module 3 is going to be your social media creator. Now, to do this, you just simply need to answer some questions inside of this training, right? So for example, enter the website of the product you are promoting so I can learn about it. So you can either use Instagains there, or you can go and use Michael's products that he's giving to you. What are your hobbies? So you need to put your hobbies in there. And the reason he's asking these questions is so that this AI, which is one of the first AIs in here, can actually create your social media profile based upon the answers that you give in here, right? And then it can start creating posts for you as well, which is pretty cool. So that is the social media creator. And then you got the email writer. Again, you are prompted, and there's training here as well, which will walk you through all of this, but you're prompted to answer a bunch of questions about yourself that will help this AI to start generating emails on your behalf without you writing a thing. It's going to go and write these emails for you, but the reason why it's asking you these questions is so it can learn more about you, so it can personalize and tailor make these emails towards you as a human, right? The next part is the AI movie maker. Again, all you need to do is answer a few simple questions about yourself, and it will go ahead and start creating movies. Well, not like blockbuster movies or anything like that, but short movies that you can go and use as short form content and even long form content on your social media platforms. Now, why is it doing all of this? Well, that's because social media is one of the main places that we're going to be getting free targeted traffic from. So you need to make sure that you have to have all these things set up correctly and personalized to you. Now, if you don't use AI Millionaire, you have to go and do all of this on your own. You need to go and do your own research. You need to go and set up your own social media profiles. You need to go and create your own short form videos, whether you go on camera or you use other AIs to do this. And the other AIs that do this also charge a premium. They charge either a monthly fee or a one-off fee, which is way more than what AI Millionaire is. AI Millionaire is only $9.95, right? So it's actually a lot cheaper doing it this way, okay? So you've got the social media, the email writer, the movie maker, and you've also got the blogger, because blogging is another way of getting free traffic from Google. So again, you can actually start creating your blog post right here by chatting with the Millionaire Blogger AI here. So they can figure out what your blog posts are going to be about, get some basic information from you, and then it will start creating your blog posts, which you can go and write on places like Medium, WordPress, you know, and start getting free traffic to your affiliate links. Now, everything is explained up here. This is all the stuff that you need to do, and it's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's a fraction of the time and effort that you're going to spend compared to doing this all organically from scratch and learning how to do everything. This is just a way of shortcutting that journey from years into a matter of hours, basically. So that's what this is all about. And then you get Millionaire Photographer, which is basically going to create your social media photos for you, right? And this, again, is taking advantage of AI, and it's going to create your pictures for you, which you would otherwise have to pay a premium for from other different AI tools out there that create artificial intelligence generated pictures, which again are a lot more expensive than AI Millionaire. Okay, now you also get access to these bonuses here as well, which are all premium products that Michael has released in the past. And he's released these products for well over $20 per product. So if we just do the maths here, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. So you're getting $160 worth of value minimum inside of just these bonuses alone, which again, you're only paying $9.95 for, right? Now, the other things inside of this members area are part of the upgrades, which I'll go ahead and I'll explain to you right now, because there are upsells involved here. And these are optional upgrades. You don't have to take advantage of them if you don't want to, but I definitely recommend that you do get some of them because they're going to help you out. Now, the front end, which is everything that I just showed you up until now, is going to be $9.95. After the launch, it is going to go up to $47. So you're going to save a lot of money by getting this during this launch period. And remember, the bonuses that I talked to you about earlier, they're also going to expire once this launch is over as well. So definitely take advantage of this while this is in the launch phase. Right now, there is a bump, okay, which is going to cost $17.95, and this is going to give you access to behind the scenes of a 6K a month AI business, which is this part right here. Okay, so it's tons more training on if you want to actually do this at a professional level and make even more money. So there's more training that will unlock inside of there, and that is only going to be $17.95. So you should definitely take advantage of that. All right. Upsell number one is the AI Premium Partner Pack. Okay, this is going to be $197. It's going to include lifetime recurring commissions, consistent commission system, total email automation, 7-figure affiliate automation, ultimate profit masterclass, high ticket license pack, and 1K per day case study. So what's that going to look like? It's going to look like this. Basically, Michael's giving you access to his premium high ticket products that you can promote and keep 100% of. There's also recurring products in there which will pay you month after month after month. Okay, and he's giving you access to email automation and a bunch of other stuff, including a $1,000 per day case study that he's put together. So all of that is going to be $197. Now, this is going to be the difference between making a couple of $1,000s a month using everything up to here and making tens of thousands of dollars per month, mainly because you get access to his high ticket products and all of the email automation too. Okay. The next upsell is going to be $97. And this is going to include point and click profits program, 10x profit program, precision profits program, rapid profit plan, bulletproof bonus bundle, and also ultimate profit planner. Okay, that is going to look like this. And obviously it's just a way of you making even more money using affiliate marketing. Yeah, I almost sneezed then. And then finally, you've got AI Millionaire Lifetime Resellers. This is basically a white label program, a reseller's license, if you will. That's going to be $97, and it's going to allow you to resell AI Millionaire as if it is your own product, and you get to keep 100% of the commissions. Now, this is a really good product. So if you are looking to get your hands on a digital product that's going to pay you 100% commissions, this is definitely one that you should consider because it is brand new. It hasn't even launched yet. So I would definitely recommend getting your hands on this reseller license because there's some good profits to be made from this funnel as well. All right, if you want more information on AI Millionaire, there is a demo video. That basically brings me to the end of this AI Millionaire review. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. All the best. Take care. Bye.